You okay, buddy? This is an odd beetle. I have no idea.
That is quite a striped beetle.
Yeah. Well, no, it's not even that. Look at the two big mandibles.
Oh yeah, you're right.
That thing's huge. At first I thought it was dead, and then it moved, and I was like, "Oh, you gotta be kidding me! I found a live one." You okay, buddy?